Hi, this is Rozani. How do you make a holly jolly Santa bottle stopper? Here's how I do it. It's easy. Use with an empty soda pop bottle. Make sure the bottle has been sanitized and only use with wrapped candies or nuts that have their shells, like pistachios or peanuts, also caramels, candy canes. And here we go. The process is the same as I use when I make my little elves. I use, of course, the liquid starch and paper napkin pieces for this project. It's very easy because we're working with basic shapes here. And you can make them in different shapes and sizes. It's important to secure in between stages with napkin pieces. Do a mouthpiece by rolling a narrow little strand. It will go right under the nose, and all you need to do is secure it into place. I want to thank you for joining me, and if this is your first time being here, welcome. My papier mâché projects are done in increments. I always have a lot of works in progress. Here I'm adding on a hat accessory with fur trim. I will be adding a pom-pom once it's dry. I like to sculpt my little hats. Here I'm adding the little twisted eyebrow strands, and I just tuck them in and press them into place. I like to use bamboo skewers or chopsticks. They come in so handy. And if you have long fingernails, that helps. Now there's a happy little expression. And I'm going to add a couple of little eyeballs. They're smaller than the other pieces. And I just roll them up and press them in. I hope you'll enjoy making these as much as I do. And I certainly enjoy bringing them to you as well. You can use the papier mâché made from the actual pulp with the liquid adhesive. When that's mixed together, it will stick nicely and you can shape it almost like clay. And I do use that in several of my projects. But here I'm just using the paper napkins with the liquid starch. I've used twisted strands for the beard and for the mustache. Please make sure that the strands on the beard don't stick to the stopper insert. In fact, you can go ahead at this point and place it into your bottle and continue working on it. You can add your own style and make the beard shorter if you want, fatter, longer, and the same with the mustache. You can make it really thick or you can make it thin. You can make the ends curly, however you like. Thanks for having made it this far into the video. Please let me know what you think in the comments section. We're almost there. We're going to need a stopping point, and that will be coming up. So prepare to take a break, and we'll set it aside. It will dry overnight, and then I'll work on it some more. But for now, I hope that this has given you an idea of how easily you can make one of your very own. If you enjoy this type of content, please let me know by hitting that like button. And I welcome you to subscribe if you like, and hit that notification bell, and you'll receive updates. I like to place the stopper into the bottle and let it dry overnight. You could touch up some of the rough spots and then let it dry. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions that you'd like to be answered. You can put it in front of a fan if you like. Do what works best for you. And when it's dry, then you can work on it a little bit further. Thanks again for being here with me. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.